ready na. Ready na tayong kumain. Alam nyo, I need to go out. Kasi medyo hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ko. So sabi ko, labas ako. And then, kain sa labas. At the same time, fresh air, di ba? So yun, been a hectic week. So much things to do. And yet, so little time. Sabi nga ganun. What did I order sa McDonald's? Yung bago nilang Big Arch. So, eating it right now. Tingnan natin. Ayan siya. Big Mac. Alam ko, hindi siya healthy. Wala na. Check crave ako ngayon. Alam mo yung feeling na parang masusufocate ka. Kinakailangan mo ng fresh air. Ganun yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. Kaya sabi ko, labas, dami pa naman tao sa McDonald's ngayon. So, most likely, maraming salitang Tagalog kaysa sa English. So, okay naman tong Big Arch. Laki. Mukhang mabubusog ako nito. Kaso lang, mukhang messing kainin. So, dahil gagawin natin. Kain muna ako, tapos tuloy ko na lang mamaya yung pag-uusap natin. Diba? Okay ba sa inyo yung ganun? Diba na kakain muna ako. Ngayon siya, oh. Yan. Dito ang tawag, chips. So, kain muna ako. And then, usap tayo ulit mamaya. Okay? Later. Oh, yan. I think it's much better. I'm at home now. It was hard kanina kasi daming tao sa McDonald's. Dami rin mga bata. And I'm worried kasi dito sa Australia yung privacy law. They're very strict. So, I think it's much better if it's in a controlled environment, kagaya sa bahay. Plus, na-miss ko na rin si Yuki. Yan. So, yes, I was saying kanina, no, we need to get out. Feel like I'm drained and parang ang hirap kanina yung pakiramdam ko na nahirapan din akong maghinga. So sabi ko, I need fresh air and I need to go out and eat. So yun nga lang, di ba, unhealthy. Di ba, bird ko na lang tomorrow. So I might do a bike ride tomorrow and a bit of running as well with Yuki siguro. So yeah, lately it seems kasi na parang hindi normal yung mga nangyayari. And I'm getting to the point wherein nakaka-frustrate, nakaka-discourage, pero 'di ba? Ganun talaga. Sabi nga, minsan hindi natin nakikita yung blessings, 'di ba? Na mas blessed tayo compared sa other people. Yeah, I get that. I understand that. But when you're in that situation, and when you're in that feeling of that confusion, discouragement, and frustration, mahirap, no? It's easy to say yung mga ganung bagay kasi you're outside looking in, but if you're the person that is experiencing such things, it's hard. It's hard to really, sometimes balance. So, everything, kasi lately, to me, nagiging parang mundane. So, I don't know. And it seems that I can't get my cadence, This channel, there's no mask. Mask off tayo pag nagpo-post ako ng video. And it's all about the truth, yung real talk, my experience. I want to share it with you guys, with you, my friend, because I don't know. I have a feeling that you can relate and you feel that feeling na hindi ka nag-iisa. And that's my purpose as well. Na parang yun nangyayari na yung bang may kaibigan ka, yung may kausap ka. And that's the reason that I'm making this video. It doesn't matter kung, may manood o hey Yuki, walang manood. For me, I can go back and kikita ko na it's sort of an outlet and a release. So last time I posted about love and hate sa YouTube, no? Yun yan, part yun eh. But I'm very thankful for YouTube. Meron tayong ganitong platform. Sometimes, yung social media, we know that too much social media is bad. Dami kasing mga negativity, no? But at the end of the day, it's how you use it, How you spread, yung gusto mong sabihin in a positive way. How you communicate to other people. How to encourage them. Yun ang mga bagay na mahalaga eh. Pero tonight, iba yung feeling ko. So, hey, good girl, baby. So, sabi ko nga kanina, I have to go out. And hirap lang kanina. Grabe. Every time na I wanted to say something or nagtotalk ako habang two things daming tao, pangalawang hirap pala mag-vlog pag kumakain. Tapos yung kinakain ko pa messy, but Sarap pa. Yung bago na McDonald's here in Australia. Arch. Big Arch, they call it. So, para siyang Big Mac na quarter pounder. Pero malaki siya, very filling. So, match with, Coke Zero and medium fries. Or dito tawag chips eh. So, yun. So, my friend, hindi tayo mag-e-end ng hindi positive note. Sabi ko kanina, feeling ko yung gano'n na feel a little bit, lethargic, discouraged, flat. Yun ang word, flat. But you know what? Nung nagda-drive na ako pa uwi, na-realize ko na ang buti talaga ng Panginoon kasi yung protection niya, di ba? Yung provision niya, kahit na sometimes hindi perfect yung mga nangyayari, pero alam natin na gumagalaw siya, kumikilo siya. So, yun my friend, gusto ko lang di-share sa iyo na buhay ang Diyos, kahit minsan di natin nararamdaman, di natin nakikita yung galaw niya. But I do believe in my heart na kumikilo siya. And one day, yung breakthrough natin darating. Kaya di ba, the best is yet to come. Yung palagi, no? So, my friend, until next time. And I hope and pray na maging maganda yung araw mo, maging maganda yung week mo. So, salamat for joining me. Thank you for listening. If you can do me a favor, comment ka, mag-usap tayo kahit doon man lang. No? Ganon. Sige, the best is yet to come sa atin. Pakainin ko na si Yuki. Dinner time na rin niya. Bye! Till next time, peace. Yuki!